favorite kaya kasi minsan yung muna Wiki with Rizzo. Pupunta kami sa Maison Matcha. Kasi yung mga nakikita kong video, mga pukik ina nyo, puro POV, new coffee shop. So dito ako ngayon para titikman. Mapuisit kayo.
Pag ito, hindi naman talaga naman.
Ay, may pa siya. Towards our goal. Para niya banda? Ay, na pala. Ayun na siya. So many people.
Ay, tita at na blanco, bisa ka bakit? Or do you think?
Lawin tayo ba ng Ken? First time niya ba?
Learning guys, say salt ang point.
Pag yaman-yaman ka, salalam mo na eh. Wow! Daming tao, ano ba to? Sobrang daming tao sa Maison Matcha. So dito muna kami. Habang wala pa si Cake. Pipicturean ko tong si Hailey Bieber. Hailey Bieber! Dito siya lalabas. Ayan. Okay. Kasi siyang oat milk latte. Ay, almond milk latte. Ito daw, drink without the straw. Good luck. Sarap ka sa bakit 260? Okay, finally, may upuan na kami. May bagels. Order ako ng coconut cloud matcha. What did you order, Ellie? Ooh! Matcha and matcha tiramisu. Fuji siya, what? Cheesecake?
Yeah. Kaya nga, oh my God, kailangan kayo nga try. As your Hojicha girl.
Oh yes, okay.
Look at it back. It's gone.
Where did it go? It was stolen?
Yeah. Some
Random guy stole it?
random kid stole it.
Coconut milk. Thank you po. Thank you. I thought Mama Kiki saying, no, because I'm gonna take content. It's worker pala. Bakit ang itim mo?
That's my kind of Hojicha. Tapos sila na ako sa kataya yung loto. Hindi natin ito. Pagkatapos kayo,
Oh my God. It tastes nice.
really?
He's green.
Wala na barley yan, sisig matcha.
I know, right? Yung pack nito,
Sinalimutan din yung pumpkin.
sobrang thick ng cloud niya and sobrang in your face ng matcha. I really love it. Makatakot na. Parang demonyo yung
The drink
Yes.
is giving. Is it hard to cook?
Hey, this is, what's this? Matcha blend lang siya. Ooh. Right? Right? may event ka mamaya, huwag mo kakainin to kasi.
What's that?
Kamatis. May keepers pa.
OMG! Ay,
Keepers. Bagel and kamatis.
It's a hamburger.
Very fancy naman to.
Go! Video?